Your subject line is what separates your email from being opened or being ignored, and I'm going to show you how to write the best subject lines. In the past 4 years, I've sent over 10 million cold emails, in which I've averaged around 2.4% reply rate with my subject lines. In this video, I'm going to go extremely in-depth on how to write highly reply rate subject lines that will make everyone read your email. So by the end, you can start implementing them in your own campaigns. To create effective subject lines, you need to understand the journey a prospect takes when interacting with your email. So open the email. This is influenced primarily by deliverability and the subject line. Then you have skim the content. Recipients need to quickly access the relevance and clarity of your message. Third is read in detail. If intrigued, they invest more time to fully understand your offer. And then last is take action. Driven by a strong call to action aligned with the content, they'll move on to complete the CTA. Our focus is on step 1, writing the best subject lines that will push your recipients to open your email so that they can complete the email's journey. There are several core principles that make up effective email subject lines. Including personal elements such as the recipient's name or company can significantly boost open rates. Personalized subject lines are 26% more likely to be opened, and you can easily personalize your emails with instantly. Keep subject lines short. Ideally, aim for 3 to 4 words or no more than 41 characters to ensure they can display fully on mobile devices. Pique the recipient's interest. A subject line that creates curiosity can drive higher engagement. And use verbs or action phrases to prompt immediate engagement, encouraging the recipient to take the next step. Misleading subject lines can damage trust and result in higher spam reports, negatively affecting deliverability over time. Let's go over some types of high-performing subject lines. There are 4 primary types of subject lines that consistently perform well across various industries. Each type is going to touch on different psychological triggers and can be tailored to suit specific audiences. First one is desired outcome. In this one, the focus here is on the positive result that your product or service can deliver. For example, need more clients, boost your ROI with our services. This type works well because it immediately aligns with the recipient's goals or needs. The second type is pain subject lines. These address a problem or challenge the recipient may be facing. Something like struggling with low sales, ? High ad costs draining your budget. While they can be powerful, overemphasizing pain points can feel a little bit too aggressive and can turn potential customers away. The third one is reference. These leverage specific details about the recipients or their company, demonstrating a high level of personalization. Something like congrats on your latest award, or loved your recent podcast on cats. These require more research, but often have the highest engagement rates due to their relevance. And then lastly is curiosity-based subject lines. These are designed to intrigue and engage by sparking questions or highlighting unique angles. Something like, quick question for you, and then you include their name, or you won't believe what we found about pain point. Make sure that the content delivers on the curiosity created to avoid appearing deceptive. Follow these strategies during implementation, such as A/B testing, regularly test variations of your subject lines, and experiment with different types, lengths, and personalization tactics to see what resonates best with your audience. So for example, inside of Instantly, they make it very easy to A/B test different subject lines. As you can see here, we're testing setting up Clay workflows, Clay template, Clay project, and Clay setup. After I've set this up, if you go to options and then click on show advanced options, you can have it such that Instantly will auto-optimize A to Z testing based on performance. So for me, the number 1 metric that matters is reply rate. So I'm basically telling it, find out which variant is performing the best and then double down on it in order to improve conversion rate. Now, one thing you'll notice also with our subject lines is that they're very straightforward, they're very short, and they do not include any capital letters, they don't include any spam words. It's very simple. It evokes a bit of curiosity because we're targeting people that use Clay, given that we're also official Clay Enterprise partners. This has been working really, really well for us. And it's what I would recommend for you guys as well. As you're creating these subject lines, do not write them in such a way that they will come off as spam. So avoid things like buy now or limited time or using all caps and exclamation points. That's how you're gonna turn people away from you and they will definitely not open your email. Matter of fact, most likely they will probably mark it as spam and then you're gonna ruin your entire infrastructure. Another thing I'd like to highlight is our analytics. So this is one of our top performing campaigns. As you can see, our step 1 has a 3.8% reply rate and has generated 43 opportunities. That means we're getting 1 lead for every 41 emails sent. We're almost 10x performing the industry standard, since most people get 1 lead for every 300 to 350 emails sent. So this tells me that our emails are being opened, the subject line is drawing interest, and of course, the content of our email is evoking people to reply to us and reply to us in a positive way. So if we go up, Instantly also has this great dashboard. You can adjust it here to see the stats that you want to look at. So once you're going to turn on the reply rate, turn off open rate. So overall, in the last 3 months, our reply rate is actually 6.9%. And for context, anything between 2 to 5 is great. Anything over 5 is a bit of a unicorn status. And we've been very fortunate with this campaign. But again, the first line of defense that you want to go over when you're making these campaigns is the subject line. It's literally the first thing people see. After the subject line is, of course, the preview line, and after that is the content. But if the subject line isn't optimized, it doesn't matter how good your offer is. It doesn't matter how clean and straightforward your call to action is. Subject lines matter. You need to get that figured out before anything else. Use every campaign as an opportunity to learn more about your audience. Adjust and iterate on your subject line strategy based on real-time feedback and performance data. And that is how I write high open rate email subject lines that always keep my recipients hooked. Now that you have the best subject lines, check out this video where I teach you how to create full cold email campaigns that convert like crazy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.